Celsius is up 113%, but the Celsius platform is in shambles. We're going to be talking about news coming out of Celsius and Cell Token and Cell Coin today. So if you guys want to hear more about that, make sure you guys watch until the end of the video, and also leave a like and subscribe if you like the content and you want to see more of it on our channel. It would kind of indicate to us that we should make more of these videos. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch all the way until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this extremely important information. So Celsius. This is a coin that I have never talked about on this channel before. So this is something new to all of you guys. I have personally invested in Celsius before, so I do know what I'm talking about with it. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to be going over kind of what's going on with the platform. And then I'm also going to be going over why we had this massive jump in price. Is it going to be basically a short squeeze? Is it just some other random stuff? I'll be talking about that at the end of this video. And then also just talking about the current situation that Celsius is in and my thoughts on it. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. But yeah, I also want to mention, guys, you guys can get a free stock with Public that has not gone down yet. So Public is going to be a social investing app where you can see what different investors such as myself and Kyle, the other person who runs this channel, use, and you can see their portfolios on there, stocks and crypto. And when you deposit just $1, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. So go ahead and do that with the first link in the description. But anyways, let's talk some more about Celsius. Celsius is currently ranked number 143 in the world, with a market cap of about $140 million, which is up 113%, and the volume is sitting at about $113 million, which is up 202% over the past 24 hours. Now, that's most likely because of this massive jump in price, but either way, it's really good to see that. And Celsius is up over 113%, which is absolutely crazy. Now, we're going to talk about why that is at the end of this video. It was trading at 28 cents just one day ago. It's now trading at about 59 cents. Will this continue? We'll talk about that. But first, let's talk about the situation that Celsius finds itself in. So this article is going to be coming from Business Insider, and then we'll also go over to CoinDesk.com to talk about the eightfold jump that they just saw. But anxious Celsius customers say they have no idea what will happen to their money after the crypto platform halted withdrawals. So basically, Celsius, the largest crypto lending platform, stopped letting users withdraw holdings on Sunday. Customers told Insider they have 2,300 to 105,000 in crypto traded trapped in the app. And the crisis highlights a key downside to decentralized finance, where customers don't have the same protections as traditional accounts. So basically, 2 days after Celsius, a major crypto lending platform, froze all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers, citing extreme market conditions, customers tell Insider they have no idea what will happen to their money. 3 customers with holdings between 2,300 and 105,000, verified by Insider, said their funds are still trapped on the app until the freeze is lifted. Their frustration shows how the decentralized finance movement, despite its promises to empower individuals, can leave customers in a tight spot without the protections afforded to more traditional accounts. So no one knows what is actually going to be happening to their money. Celsius is a 5-year-old trading company that managed about $12 billion in assets from a customer base of about $1.7 million as of May. So I mean, they're holding a lot of money, and there's a ton of people that are using this platform. 1.7 million people is not anything to scoff at, especially when you cannot get your money out of Celsius. But as the crypto market at large faces brutal sell-off, customers' deposits start to slow. So to stabilize things, Celsius on Sunday stopped allowing users to withdraw funds. Raphael Miller, a software developer, told Insider that he lost about 2,300 worth of Bitcoin. And then he said, "I've already decided that I won't be able to withdraw anything for this foreseeable future." In a memo on Sunday, Celsius said it's working on withdrawals as quickly as possible, but there is no timeline, so we have no idea when that will happen. Jake Greenbaum, another Celsius customer, is in the same boat. He told Insider that he lost about $105,000 worth of Solana, and that's locked on the platform. He was able to withdraw about $250,000 in holdings 5 days before, but he tried to get the rest out, and it did not work. And then Timber, a musician, said she has been accumulating Bitcoin slowly over the course of the last 5 years and been storing it on Celsius. And they said, unless something happens where they open up again, I'll lost about a year's worth of income. Later clarifying that it might be closer to 2 years worth. It's the small customers like me that they could wipe out, she said. But yeah, I mean, the clock is ticking. The longer the withdrawal button is gone, the more likely their entire customer base will leave. So yeah, now let's talk about why Celsius actually did jump up in price, even though this whole all of these different things are going on with that are negative with this company. So Cel is going to be the token associated with Celsius, and the lender's token reached a high of $2.57 at one point in what appears to be a short squeeze. So, Cel token jumped 8-fold to an intraday high of $2.57 from 30 cents, according to data from FTX. But in the hour after the spike, the price fell back to about 54 cents and now sits at about, I believe, 48 cents at the time of this recording. Yeah, and the market cap is at about 125 million. That's still up 35 cents prior to the recent crash when Celsius halted withdrawals on Sunday, June 12th, citing extreme market conditions. In response to the news, Celsius token plummeted to 18 cents from 35 cents Sunday evening, a decline of 48 cents. But basically, according to exchange data, it appears the latest price jump was brought in by a big spot buyer on a crypto exchange, FTX. A trader who spoke with CoinDesk says the price action was indicative of a short squeeze, as shorting Celsius's token had become an overcrowded trade. So basically, they brought in a lot of money in order to trigger a lot of these shorts to cover their positions. So yeah, I mean, they were able to get a short squeeze to go on Celsius, and now people are seeing this big jump in price, and they're trying to get in because of FOMO. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened with Celsius. So hopefully withdrawals start again soon, so that Celsius can continue to do well, and you guys all that are holding it will do well. Also, I do also want to mention that we do have a free section of our private Discord. So if you guys are interested in joining, then go ahead and get signed up with the second link in our description. We're going to be putting out free stock option plays as well as crypto plays as well. So use the second link in the description if you guys are interested in joining. But yeah, also this is what the graph looked like. It was at about 28 cents before this massive jump in price where a short squeeze occurred, got all the way to about $2.57 before coming back down, and now it's settling out at about the 58 cent area, now 48 cents. So hopefully this can continue and we can see some more bullish price movement, but I'll definitely be making another video later once the overall volume has kind of calmed down. But right now they are trending up on the MACD. The RSI is at 32, so we could see some bullish movement going into tomorrow from this 48 cent area. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. But other than that, my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.